For years, Toyota has built its reputation on one simple promise: reliability you can trust for the long haul. From the early days of the Prius revolution to today's hybrid-dominated lineup, Toyota has consistently positioned itself as the gold standard in hybrid technology. But recently, something interesting happened. Toyota didn't exactly issue a dramatic press conference or a shocking recall, but through technical briefings, service updates, and subtle messaging to dealerships, they effectively admitted something many experts have been warning about for years. Hybrid engines are incredibly durable, but only if you maintain them differently than traditional engines. And that's where most owners are making a costly mistake. If you own a Toyota hybrid, or you're planning to buy one, what you do next could determine whether your engine lasts 300,000 kilometers or starts failing far earlier than expected. Let's break down what Toyota is really saying, what it means, and exactly what you should do right now to protect your hybrid engine. The big misunderstanding about hybrid reliability. Toyota hybrids are famous for lasting forever. You've probably heard stories of Prius taxis running 400,000 kilometers or more with minimal issues. That reputation is real, but it's also misunderstood. Many drivers assume hybrid engines work less, so they need less maintenance. Electric assistance means less wear overall. Toyota built it, so it's basically maintenance-free. This is where things start to go wrong. Expert insight: hybrid systems don't eliminate engine stress, they redistribute it. Instead of constant load like a traditional gasoline engine, hybrids operate in cycles: engine on under higher load, engine off completely, rapid restarts, frequent thermal cycling. That pattern introduces a different type of wear, not necessarily less. And according to Toyota engineers, this is exactly where improper maintenance becomes dangerous. What Toyota quietly admitted. Toyota's internal guidance and service recommendations have evolved, especially in newer hybrid systems like those found in the Prius, Camry Hybrid, and RAV4 Hybrid. Here's the key takeaway. Hybrid engines are more sensitive to oil condition, cooling efficiency, and airflow than traditional engines. This is not a weakness, it's a design reality. Because hybrid engines start and stop frequently, operate at optimal but concentrated load points, depend heavily on temperature stability, even small maintenance lapses can compound faster than expected. The number one mistake: extending oil change intervals too far. This is the biggest issue Toyota is indirectly warning about. Many owners follow extended oil intervals, sometimes up to 15,000 kilometers or more, because the engine runs less, synthetic oil is long life, maintenance reminders are spaced out. But here's the problem: hybrid engines contaminate oil differently. When the engine starts and stops repeatedly, fuel dilution increases, moisture buildup becomes more common, oil doesn't always reach full operating temperature. Expert insight: short engine cycles equal incomplete oil heating equals accelerated oil degradation. That means even if mileage is low, oil quality can drop faster than expected. What you should do: change oil every 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers, not 15,000. Use high-quality synthetic oil, Toyota-approved spec. Don't rely solely on dashboard reminders. This one change alone can significantly extend engine life. The hidden killer: hybrid cooling system neglect. Hybrid vehicles have more complex cooling needs than traditional cars. They typically include engine cooling system, inverter cooling system, battery cooling system. Each one plays a critical role. The overlooked issue: most owners only think about engine coolant and ignore the rest. But Toyota engineers emphasize, overheating in hybrid components often starts with restricted airflow or degraded coolant, not obvious failure. Expert insight: thermal management is the backbone of hybrid longevity. If temperatures rise slightly beyond optimal ranges, even occasionally, it can accelerate wear in engine internals, electric motor components, power electronics. What you should do? Replace coolant on schedule, don't delay. Inspect cooling fans and ducts. Ensure inverter cooling system is functioning properly. Skipping this is one of the fastest ways to shorten hybrid lifespan. The airflow problem nobody talks about. This one surprises a lot of owners. Hybrid systems rely heavily on airflow, especially for battery cooling. In many Toyota hybrids, the battery cooling intake is located under rear seats, near side panels. Inside cabin airflow zones, that means Dust, pet hair, debris can quietly clog the system. Expert insight: restricted airflow equals higher battery temperature equals reduced efficiency plus long-term degradation. Even though this doesn't immediately damage the engine, it indirectly affects the entire hybrid system. What you should do: clean battery air intake vents regularly. Avoid blocking vents with luggage or covers. Vacuum interior areas near intake points. This simple habit is often overlooked, but extremely important. Fuel quality still matters a lot. There's a myth that hybrids are less sensitive to fuel quality. That's not entirely true. Because hybrid engines often operate at higher efficiency ranges, they rely on precise combustion, clean fuel delivery, stable ignition timing. Poor fuel quality can lead to carbon buildup, injector deposits, reduced efficiency. Expert insight: hybrid engines often run in optimized sweet spots, which makes them more sensitive to inconsistencies. What you should do: use reputable fuel stations, avoid low-quality or contaminated fuel, consider periodic fuel system cleaning. Why short trips are worse than you think. Hybrid owners often assume short trips are ideal because of electric mode, but there's a hidden downside. If your driving pattern is mostly 5 to 10-minute trips, stop-and-go city driving, frequent cold starts, then your engine may rarely reach full temperature, accumulate moisture internally, experience more wear during cold operation. Expert insight: cold starts are where most engine wear occurs, and hybrids may experience more of them. What you should do: occasionally take longer drives, 20 to 30 minutes. Allow engine to reach full operating temperature. Avoid constant, ultra-short usage cycles. Transmission fluid: the silent risk. Toyota hybrids use an eCVT system, which is often marketed as low maintenance or even lifetime fluid. But here's the reality. Expert insight: no fluid is truly lifetime, especially under heat and load. Over time, transmission fluid can break down, lose lubrication properties, accumulate contaminants. What you should do: change transmission fluid every 60,000 to 80,000 kilometers. Use only Toyota-approved fluid. Ignoring this won't cause immediate failure, but long-term wear increases significantly. Software updates matter more than you think. Modern Toyota hybrids are highly software-driven. Engine behavior, battery usage, and cooling strategies are all controlled by software. Toyota occasionally releases ECU updates, hybrid system optimizations, efficiency improvements. Expert insight: software updates can improve durability, not just performance. What you should do: check for updates during service visits. Visit authorized service centers periodically. Driving habits that extend hybrid engine life. Toyota's hybrid systems are designed to reward smooth driving. Aggressive habits can reduce longevity. Avoid sudden acceleration, frequent hard braking, high-speed cold starts. Adopt gradual acceleration, predictive braking, smooth cruising. Expert insight: hybrid systems are optimized for efficiency, not aggressive performance. Driving style directly impacts long-term durability. The long-term reality: hybrids are durable but not maintenance-free. Toyota didn't admit failure. What they effectively acknowledged is something more nuanced. Hybrid systems are incredibly reliable, but only when maintained with hybrid-specific awareness. The old assumption, just drive and forget, doesn't hold up anymore. As hybrid technology becomes more advanced, the margin for neglect gets smaller. The simple checklist: do this now. If you want your Toyota hybrid to last as long as its reputation suggests, follow this. Change oil every 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers. Use high-quality synthetic oil. Maintain all cooling systems, not just engine. Keep battery airflow vents clean. Use good fuel. Avoid excessive short trips. Replace transmission fluid periodically. Stay updated on software. Drive smoothly. These aren't complicated steps, but they make a massive difference. Final thought: this is the new era of reliable. Toyota hybrids are still among the most reliable vehicles on the road. But reliability today isn't passive, it's interactive. The vehicles are smarter, more efficient, and more advanced, but they also require smarter ownership. Toyota didn't issue a warning, they provided a quiet correction. And now you know what to do. If you act on it, your hybrid won't just last, it will outperform expectations for years to come. If you want, I can turn this into a YouTube script with hooks, retention triggers, and viral title ideas tailored to your channel.